So basically, Tim makes this look real easy. Not as easy as it looks. Tim makes it look real easy.
Hey guys, beautiful day outside. We right now are drilling some holes. Pre-drilling the holes, and then we'll put them on.
Just finished log washing and rinsing and vacuuming all the logs and everything up here, ready for the first coat of stain on the floor. Tim's door trap is in. Chris the roofer! Tim is building the rail from scratch from raw wood, so it's going to be interesting. It is 9 o'clock on the farm. We're working late trying to get all this stuff done. And there's a beautiful sunset. Spindles in the making. It's a new day and we're working on the roof.
Now, what do I have to be a geek now?
No ows allowed. Enough ows.
Well, the Band-Aid got caught.
Ow! Oh, owie! I picked some up right on time. Along with feeding the troops, Grandma has been manning this garden single-handedly. Most amazing.
I'm just trying to create a 4x4 here because we had an old piece of beam cut from the wall of the bunkie, and so I took off the edge. And today we also have Mom working on some wonderful painting. Uh-oh, she doesn't like cameras.
The stain is done, the floor is done. I'm going to put the gloss finish pretty much on all the walls and the roof. iSpotlight because we're running out of days. Late night inspector. And finished. Today Tim will be working on the rail and Dad on the floor with Chris. And I will be cleaning the main floor of the bunkie and hopefully staining. So, yeah. I'm trying to avoid sanding this, so I'm going to try an eraser.
You can get one of these sponges that even look cool. They look like textured metal, because you're a tough guy. You can kneel on metal. And then you can just put it down there, and you just kneel on it, and away you go. That's it. That's how easy it is. It's really cool. All cool guys do it now.
Look at that, reloading our containers. Chris and Debbie are the machines on this stuff. Look at that fine job. Oh man. He's putting honey on the walls. Makes me want to eat them.
Putting liquid gold onto the walls. Just because it's expensive, why not?
How's my honey doing?
Good.
Putting honey on the wall?
It's nice having Chris helping today.
This is the happening place in here. Lots is happening. Oh, what's going on up here? Woo.
going in.
Bottom is just a tad, like a 30-second off either.
So we're gonna, what we do is do this side, and then Tim designed it to be able to flip over. And these screw holes match screw holes in the gate, so that we set it there and we don't cause any damage to the sealer, so that it's all nice and beautiful, and then it dries.
Mark is staining a little piece for the door. This week has been a lot of late nights trying to finish all the different sections that we needed to paint. There's so many edges all over here. Everything, the windows, edges, everything's edges. Takes forever. ready for a family of 4 coming this afternoon with their 2 kids. And Tim finished this beautiful rail so that everyone stays safe. Latch is open. And coming down the stairs, you can actually use it as a staircase. And we have the kitchenette with a little fridge and freezer, water filter, and the little extra counter space with garbage, toaster, and little knickknacks. And the outhouse with shower and warm water. Surprise, surprise.